Yeah, so this video is on finding the song your alpha and omega on the key of C. And the first thing you want to do is to play your do chord. Since that's the scale on which you want to play the song, you do that and you hum. That's do, and sing. You are alpha. Right? Now, most songs begin with either do, mi, or so. So you can try. You are alpha, you, that's not you. You, that's not you. You, good. That's it. So it starts with a do. You are alpha. Do you see that? You are alpha, do, re, mi, mi. Now, if you really want to train your ears, don't watch this video. Pause it, go figure out the song yourself before you come and watch what I am playing, because I figured it out already. So it's do, re, mi, fa, mi, so, la, fa, re, do, mi, do, ti, do, re, do, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, la, fa, re, do, mi, do, ti, do, re, do. So basically that's the song and I know it. Now the chord progression of the song is do, re, mi. You know mi is in the do chord, right? Mi, re. For re you go to the sol chord because re is in the sol chord. Re, mi, fa. Fa is in the fa chord, so we go to fa. Fa, mi. You can either come back to your do chord for mi, or the one I prefer to do is re, mi, fa, mi. I go to the mi chord. So let's do that again. Do, re, mi, fa, mi. So I've gone to the mi chord. Now, so, la, because la is in the fa chord. Yeah. Sorry about that break, my phone keeps misbehaving. So we stopped at so, la, because la is in the fa chord, right? This is the fa chord, and la is in it. So, la, fa, that's the passing note. Then re is in the sol chord, that's the sol chord. So that's re in it. Re, do. I went to la here because do is in the la chord, right? Mi, do, those are passing notes. So mi, do, ti is in the sol chord, do, re is in the sol chord, so I hit so again, re, do, that's the ending. So I'll play everything I just played again. Do, re. Let me do that again. You see that? That was what I just played. Now if you can't play 3 like this, you can just play 2. Now we're going to the next part, which is so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, we give you all the glory. Now, so is in the mi chord, la is in the fa chord, right? Mi, so, la, mi, fa, so, la on the left hand, because so, la, ti, do is on those respective chords, right? So after doing that, you go back to we worship you, our God, so la, fa, re, do, which is what you learned before. Sorry. Forget about what I just did. That's just something else.